Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for short-term disability for pregnancy. Understanding your benefits is crucial for financial planning during this exciting time. Short-term disability helps replace a portion of your income when you are unable to work due to pregnancy and childbirth. This guide will walk you through the essential steps to ensure a smooth application process. We'll cover eligibility, required documents, and how to submit your claim effectively. To qualify, you typically need to be covered by an employer-sponsored plan or a state program. Many plans require you to have worked for your employer for a specific duration, like 12 months, before your leave. There's often a waiting period, usually around 7 days, before your benefits start. Your doctor must provide medical documentation confirming your inability to work due to pregnancy and recovery. If you're finding this information helpful, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel and give this video a like. On another note, preparing healthy meals can be a lifesaver, especially with a new baby. Make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized. Check the description below for a link to these containers and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. The application process involves several key steps. First, gather all necessary documents, such as your medical records, employer information, and any specific forms from your disability provider. Next, carefully complete all sections of the application. Be sure to submit these forms promptly to avoid delays. Finally, keep a record of your submission and follow up regularly to track the progress of your claim.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.